Okay, guys, I am totally not done um, because I need to replace some fuses. But um, I'm thankful that I was able to do this totally and utterly by myself. Um, I have two other things I want to do, but it's kind of moist out here. They're kind of cold. It sinks into your bones. It's not cold, cold, but it's the moisture in the air. So this is most of, not, I'll say it's 98% of my daughter-in-law's winter wonderland. And I think I need to go down farther. Yes, I'm keeping you guys in the dark. I'm keeping you in the dark. Uh, because I want you to see everything. Okay, we're going to start here. We're starting here in the yard. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and I got half-inch PVC poles. I think I have, let me see, that's 10 and 3 make 13. And so I measured the height that I wanted and I used a hacksaw and I cut them off, okay? So this is the first one and it just trims out her yard. And I didn't do them all because they do park up there. If you could take a look, you'll see Journey's car there. And so I didn't leave that spot, okay? But bam! All by my little old lonesome, guys. Okay, so let me just take you on the tour. Okay. So these lights are white, but they're not as bright, okay? And this, it just dawned on me to do the tree. So when I said 97, 98%, I'm going to come back with 300 more lights to add to the tree, okay? All right, and the tree does have ornaments. Say ornaments. The tree has ornaments. It's trimmed out in the red. And then we have the white. Okay, and as I go farther up, I'm going to switch over here because now you see where it picks up the lights. And then we trimmed out the garage partway. All right, and then there's one of the deer that's shining the light on the tree. Let's see it move. I'm going to be still. There's another deer. I didn't put any lights on him. And right next to him is a Christmas tree. And let me just cross over here. All right, these lights are solar lights, and so they've been on for since dusk. And I guess all of the solar is gone, but you'll be able to see that on tomorrow. This is the reindeer put together by yours truly. Y'all know I'm scared of bugs and snakes and lizards, right? If it was not cold off and on, I would have never been out here in all these bushes and weeds and grass and stuff. All right, and those are my bushes that I originally got for the frosty, but I changed my mind, okay, because frosty was out and anything over a 5-mile wind, he's going to fall over, okay? All right, and I have to be careful about what I'm stepping on here. I put a string of lights down there and I might come back tomorrow and do some more. But it's Christmas Eve, y'all. I got to cook. Okay, and there's some red lights there in the bushes. And then on the walkway here we have lights. Okay, let me cross back over. Ba-bam, ba-bam. And here's Mr. Frosty. Okay, Mr. Frosty with his candy canes and lights literally everywhere. There was absolutely nothing I could do with that rose bush. All right, we got the gift boxes. We got the little, I don't know, penguin. I don't know what that is right there. All right, and on over here, this is just a dark area, so I may throw some lights over there. All right, and Here we are, guys. Here we are. I made the Wonderland. I went to Wonderland. There go Mr. Frosty going, hey. All right, and of course, you know, it just rained, rained, and rained, and it rained. Every single thing you see, yours truly, Nisi, did put up herself. Okay? Okay, so again, these lights are not as bright as I thought. I'm just saying, you know, they're not super bright. But so far, what do you think, guys? Hey, hey, huh? What do you think? What do you think? I was going to stripe the PVC with the red tape to make them look like candy canes, but you know what? I think they look just fine the way they are. We do have 2 more reindeer, but guys, I think if I put anything else up out here, it will be too much. All right, with that said, this is the Outdoor Winter Wonderland. Do thank you for joining me, and I will see you in a few minutes with the inside. All right. Bye-bye.